turn around and I get a picture of that.
That's pretty.
Now read what's in the box.
What's that, Ken? Ken?
Now you gotta find it.
Let me see, I gotta go charge this.
Okay, this is what it says.
Look up, please.
Do you think that was gonna say yes? Let's see what else there is. Someone in this room that has a name on
It's
it.
got a charge.
Someone in this room that has her name on it. I really, really hope you like it. And I better get a big, big hug.
Now where is it? You're getting, well, you're kind of cold.
Isn't it cold?
Turn around. No, you're getting really cold. You're getting a little warmer. A little warmer. Oh, you're warmer. Oh, you're getting cold again.
She's looking for another gift.
Yeah. Keep going, right? Oh, oh, you're hot. Oh, no, that's not it.
Right there. Make that for me.
Oh, you're closer. Look to your left. No, that's your right.
Left. Where's your left hand?
Look in the tree. Man, we would be here all day if I didn't give any hints.
I'll have to get somebody to load this thing for me.
You can't do that, no, I can't do it. What is it? It's chocolate!
Come on, now that's just a cop out.
I know it's chocolate.
Were you expecting those?
No!
Do you think you can use those?
Yeah!
Yeah.
There, I don't.